guys, today we're going to be rating Korean snacks. Oh, this is not Korean. This is Japanese. We're trying Asian snacks, specifically chips because I love chips and I thought, well, why not do this video with y'all? I do have a lot of energy. Almost finished my cup of coffee. My expectations are through the roof. Let me go grab the chips.
Run.
I got the goodies, guys. Flaming lime flavor. This is Choco Churros. One thing about these bags, they're like proper sealed. No. That's how they want you to do it. They kind of smell like the cinnamon crunch cereal. ASMR. Wait a minute, you guys. This is passing. This literally tastes like cereal. I could see myself like adding this to vanilla ice cream. And I just love the texture. Like crunchy but soft. I don't know, I can't explain it, but I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Flaming lime flavor. Can I open it like that? Nope. Okay. This is what it looks like. If you like Takis, but you don't like the spice of the Takis, then this is a very good option for you. This is like a healthier version of Takis. The texture of this chips, 10 out of 10, okay? Flavor wise, 7 out of 10 for me. They smell really fishy. The flavor is there, but the salt isn't there. Like this, smells potent, but it's not like very salty like I like my chips to be. It literally tastes like liver spread. I don't know if y'all have it here in the States, but in South Africa we have this thing called liver spread. That was my favorite thing growing up to have on bread. It tastes like that. I mean, I can see myself, you know, snacking on this. This I'm rating a 6 out of 10. I love the texture. I give it 9 out of 10.